by Kate Fletcher. Today's video is a Papercraft Society box unboxing video. I have received box number 11 in the post this morning, so I thought we'd unbox it together. So this month's box is by Cardmaking Magic. I think we're going to be in for autumnal items, looking at the outside of the box, because the outside is always a clue to what's inside. So we have these beautiful maple leaves in varying shades of autumnal colours. So let's have a look and see what's inside. And I honestly cannot believe we're on box number 11 already. It doesn't seem possible in some ways. So the first thing is a note from Christina. Crafting makes the world go round. And we also have these really lovely kind of harvesty, that's what that reminds me of, flowers. And we have this one here. So isn't that lovely? Let's get the goodies out. Now we also have a voucher inside to get 20% off any Cardmaking Magic purchase in August. So that's nice. I will leave that in the box. So let's have a little look. Gorgeous orange, kind of Halloweeny autumnal tissue, which we'll look at in a minute. But look at this. This really does say harvest to me. I don't know why. I could almost see a harvest mouse climbing up this shoot here, but yeah, this really says harvest time to me. And we have had the combine harvesters going around on the farmland near the yard where I keep my horse, so I guess that's kind of in my brain. But I don't know where you are. Today we are having a huge heat wave, so I'm not really feeling autumnal at the moment. It's been very hot today. Okay, so I have seen on social media that this month they are running a thing where if you share your makes and use the hashtag Papercraft Society, they're going to pick someone at random to win. I think it was a £10 Craft Stash voucher. So if you're making stuff with this box, do make sure you're sharing it on social media and using that hashtag to be in with a chance to win. Now let's have a look and see what's over here. So don't be afraid to snip into die cuts for a different look. So let's have a look at these. No, I don't think I've ever snipped into a die cut, if I'm honest. I normally just cut it and go, so may well investigate that this month. So we have this beautiful large aperture, I guess it would be, die here, and then you've got the outside edge for it. Again, we have these remind me of like harvest corns tied, and they're like the buds. We've got a lovely little maple leaf down there, and then we have this one, which if I hold it like that, kind of looks like it was going to be another leaf like that, but then it's got the extra bit, so I might have to cut that and just see. And then you've got like little leaves dotted in between and the flowers. So they're a nice little die set to have. Then the next section, use the tiny buttons and bows from garments to add to your designs. I have to say, it's not something I've ever done. I've not taken a button off anything to use it in my designs, but you totally could. Wow, look at these papers. Let's see what's in here. So I don't know if everybody will have seen, I put it on a video, but I made a card using last month's Papercraft Society box, and it got picked up by Craft Stash and used on their social media, so that was really exciting. So as I say, do use that hashtag, because you never know what could happen. Look at these are beautiful. We've got 2 of each of these. Look at that. These are beautiful. Oh wow, I really like that. And then we have some toppers as well. Autumn greetings. Look at these. Thanks for everything. You could use that and then put one of those over the top. Look at that leaf. I love that. And then we have another one. Thankful, grateful, blessed. Look at these. Aren't they pretty? I'm not sure about that green, have to be honest, but I do like the orange and I do like the purple and I do like this here, that green. Just, I don't know, it's not doing it for me, but the rest of them are beautiful. But that's just me. If it had been more like that, I'd have quite liked that. Don't know, just me, I think. And then let's see, now these look textured. Look, let's have a look and explore this little packet here. Let's see. Yeah, that's, oh wow, look at the colour of that. That is gorgeous. That's like a dusky pink. Love that one. Those are really pretty. I really like those. Really like those a lot. I'm just going to pop those to one side. And then the last section says men like flowers too. I guess some men do. Wow, look at these stamps. Let's just bring something in to put these against. See, now I could just see a little mouse climbing up there, but that's gorgeous. And you know, we've got blackberries now in the fields at the yard, so when I'm out doing my jobs I have a little snack as I go around. Simply thankful for all the good things. These are beautiful. I really like these stamps. Look at the corn husks. I really like these. Look at that. Warmest wishes, thinking of you this season. These are beautiful. And so I think for the dies, I think some of them coordinate with these, looking at this. So we have the little maple leaf, which I reckon would cut out that one. And I'm guessing that cuts out that. It's the right shape. So that's nice. I've got such a good idea for a card just looking at these. Awesome. I love it when the stamps and the dies coordinate, and they do that quite a lot with the Papercraft Society stuff. And do you know, Sam's one last month was genius. Everything coordinated and it made it so much fun to use. And that cut out. Yep, love this. Love it. So let's just pop everything back in the folder before we move on, because I like to keep everything together. And then we will see what was in the orange tissue paper. Pop these away as well. So in the description box of the video I will put a code, so if you aren't subscribing to these boxes yet, you'll be able to get some money off. I think you get like £5 off, and if you use my link I also get £5 off, which is quite nice. Let's have a look. And in a minute I'm going to talk to you about next month's box. I am so excited. But let's get through this month's one. Ooh, lots of goodies. I have to say, I do keep all the tissue papers for these because it's great for wrapping friend mail and stuff in. So we have a card, a little sparkle makes all the difference. Guide to adhesives and tapes. So that's awesome. So do you know, these cards are great for people who are starting out, I think. They're quite good for someone who's been doing it a little bit longer, because it's a nice quick reference if you're just having a bit of a mind fart kind of thing and you're like, and you can just check. Wow, I love this ribbon. I'm not normally an orange kind of girl, but I love that. That's so vibrant. I really like that. And look, we have doilies. They are so pretty. Aren't they cool? I don't know how many you've got, but there's a fair old number in there. I won't get them all out. And then we have some wooden buttons. And we have some more inks. We haven't had some inks for a while, so that's nice. I'd say orange, olivey green, and a purple. And then we have our book. So I really maybe should go through the book while I'm doing the video, because I don't normally, and then I'll sometimes look back through and be like, oh, the dies did X, Y, Z. Like last month, one of the dies made a slider card, which I didn't realise straight away. And I could have put it on the video. That's a clever idea with the doily. So maybe I should check in here before I finish filming, like what things do. But, you know, sometimes it's just a nice surprise as well. So loads of different techniques and stuff in here, loads of ideas for cards and how to use the book. So it's nice to have the inspiration guide in here, I think. So we have that, and then we have our cardstock. Let's see, we have 2 orange. That's kind of a purpley colour. And then obviously we had the gold and that dusky pink earlier as well, which are normally in this bit. So they've obviously split it. How nice are they? And these are really nice and thick as well. And look how nicely they work together. So I think that is everything. Okay, so that was everything for this month's box. Really nice box. I actually really like this one. I think we have some really lovely items in here. I love that ribbon, and the die and stamps are really speaking to me. So really look forward to playing with those. Now, next month's box is the box that I have waited like a year for. I am so excited because next month's box is Daisy May Designs, and I know I have banged on and on and on about the Daisy May and wanting a Daisy May box, and we are getting one. So I am still really trying hard to resist watching the reveal video because I really want the surprise. So maybe next month's video you might want to turn the volume down, because there may well be quite a bit of squealing, because I love Daisy May stuff. So yeah, next month is going to be awesome. This box is superb. I'm really happy with this. Let me know what you think. What do you think of this box? Obviously this is either the 3rd or 4th Christina box we've had, so what's your feelings on it? Do you like this box? Do you prefer one of her other boxes? What's your favourite box we've had so far? I think my favourites, honestly, at the moment would be between Sam's box and probably one of the Helen boxes, if I'm honest, because I've really liked both of those as well. But I'm loving this box, and I really need to get sorted so that I get a chance to play with these boxes, because I'm really not getting the chance. I still haven't played with the last Olga box, so I really need to do something about using these, because they are beautiful. I think they're great value for money. I'm really happy with them, and I think you can tell I'm just a tad excited about next month's box. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed seeing what came with this month's box. As I said before, I will leave a code in the description box of the video that should get you and me both money off if you choose to sign up to the boxes using that code. And I will be back soon with more videos. So take care and I will see you soon. Bye for now.